new 2021 Toyota Hilux combines a striking new front design. The addition of a powerful 2.8-liter powertrain and improvements to both its on- and off-road performance with greater comfort, upgraded equipment and an expanded model range targeting Europe. The front of the new 2021 Hilux has been completely redesigned with a bold, powerfully three-dimensional new grille and front bumper treatment which significantly increases the pickup's road presence and strong stature, whilst reinforcing its tough, robust, go-anywhere credentials. This striking new exterior styling is further enhanced by the availability of newly designed front and rear LED light clusters, a new machine finish and black 18 inches alloy wheel design, and the addition of one new exterior color, bronze metallic. Top of new 2021 Hilux range and available in extra cab and double cab variants, the Invincible grade is tailored for leisure users who want the all-convenience and diverse capabilities of a pickup combined with more adventurous and sophisticated styling and the highest levels of equipment. The exterior design of Invincible grade models features a more rugged and sophisticated styling which provides a clear differentiation from the standard, mid and high grade models that complete the Hilux range lineup. On board, Invincible builds on the high-grade specification with an exclusive driver's combimeter, black metallic and black chrome trim accents, clear blue front and rear door trim illumination, on double cab, perforated leather seats, and even a grade exclusive smart entry key. The 4x4 Hilux's already peerless off-road credentials have been further enhanced by the addition of a new electronic function that can be activated in 2WD mode, replicating the effect of a mechanical limited slip differential for improved traction on low-grip surfaces in two-wheel drive mode, available on 4WD models only. The lowering of engine speed at idle from 850 to 680 revolutions per minute and a tuned accelerator response for greater driver control. An updated VSC system, dedicated variable flow control map for appropriate steering effort, and a new tire angle monitor,